guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and today I'm only going to show you how I created the eye look. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see full face or just eyeshadows, and there was like 73% that said full face, but I won't be able to do that because today is a busy day and I won't have time to do the whole face because I do take a long time for that. But I also wanted to have a video for you guys, so you guys will just see the eyes today. But if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. I upload videos in English and in Spanish every week, so hit the subscribe button, be part of the solo family. Ugh. I feel like I'm talking too fast. But yeah, give me a thumbs up and let's start the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to start off by obviously using a concealer as my primer. I'm using this LA Girl concealer. I love using concealers instead of primer eyeshadows. If you've seen my videos, you know this. I just love it so much. It works pretty much the same as an eyeshadow primer. But I love that this one covers up any veins that you can see or the darkness of your eyelids. And I either blend it out with my finger or you can use a sponge. Either one will work perfect. Just make sure it's nicely blended on the eyelid all the way up to the brows. Then I'm going to use this pressed powder from Rimmel to set my eyelid, and I'm using the Anastasia A26 brush. You can use any powder or eyeshadow that's the same shade as your skin tone, or you can use a translucent powder. And I'm going to use this Magnifies Spice Edition palette from Rimmel. I'm going to start with this light brown shadow and applying it with the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush and applying it all over my crease, going back and forth or in circular motions. It doesn't matter how it looks on the lid, as long as it's nice and blended on the crease and above the crease. To blend it out better, you can use a different clean brush, like this one's from Morphe, and you can see that it's slightly bigger than the e.l.f. Cosmetics brush. But I like to use the same brush just because it still has a little bit of the powder, and that helps to blend out the eyeshadows better. Then using the brush that comes with the palette, I'm going to use this side right here and grab some of this dark burgundy shade, and I like to tap it on first right on the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm going to take the excess off by going like this and start blending it out. And this is when I started to notice that the eyeshadow started fading away. It pretty much most of it disappeared, and I'm just using the very tip of that same brush to blend out the edges. And going back to the e.l.f. crease brush, I'm going to start blending it out better. If you want to deepen up the color, you can just add a little bit more on top of that. Then I'm grabbing the LA Girl concealer again, and with this Anastasia brush, I'm going to get some of the concealer from the back of my hand and apply it on my eyelid, starting on the inner corner. This is going to be pretty much a half cut crease, which is my favorite eye look to do. When I get to the edges right on the crease, I'm going to start going very slow, just tapping it on there because I want the line to be nice and straight. Then I'm going to start to blend out the concealer on this part right here, just so that line won't be sharp at all. I want it to be nice and faded. And for me, using a finger is a lot easier. Using the same brush I used to apply the concealer, I'm going to get this shimmery eyeshadow and apply that on the eyelid right where I applied the concealer. And again, I'm going to apply it very slow on the edges because I don't want the eyeshadow to go all over my crease. And where the concealer starts to fade, that's where I'm going to tap very lightly with the brush. Then I'm going to get the burgundy shade again with the same small brush and just tap it over the outer corner of my eyes, and this will help to deepen up the color. And I'm using the e.l.f. crease brush to help blend both together so it can look nice. I'm going to get this Urban Decay glitter eyeliner and apply that right on the edge of my crease. Well, this isn't really my crease, it's where the shimmery eyeshadow ends, and I'm doing it very slow because I don't want to mess up. And you can see it doesn't have a lot of glitter, but if you want the glitter to be a little bit thicker or fuller, then you just keep adding layers on top of that. I just did 2 layers. Then I'm going to grab this Rimmel single black eyeshadow, and with a tiny brush again, I'm going to grab some of that and put it right on the root of my eyelashes, starting on the outer corner. I kind of want to do like a smoky eyeliner, so I'm starting off by applying a black eyeshadow. You just want to be careful because you can get some fallout on your under eye, so I recommend you do your eyes and then your foundation. Then I'm going to get this liquid eyeliner from the Balm Cosmetics and just do a very thin liner right above my eyelashes. And I'm not going to wing it, I'm just going to keep it like this. I'm going to take the burgundy eyeshadow again in the small brush and apply it on my lower lash line. And as always, I'm going to apply it first, blend it out before I apply the second layer. And that's only if you want to deepen up the shade, you add a second layer, which is what I'm going to do. And don't forget to connect it to the eyeshadow you applied on your eyelid and blend it out on the outer corner. You can use the same brush to blend it out, use the very tip, or you can use a clean brush. Now I'm going to take the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner, my favorite drugstore eyeliner, and apply that on my waterline. I'm going to use this thin brush from Anastasia and get some of the black eyeshadow from Rimmel and put that on my lower lash line, just slightly below or just right on top of the eyelashes. These beautiful, very dramatic eyelashes are from Icon in the style Brooklyn. I have a discount code if you guys would like to purchase some and save some money. This will give you 30% off. Then I'm going to apply my all-time favorites mascara, the Maybelline Lash Stiletto, on my lower lashes. I love how this mascara separates the eyelashes, and the formula of this mascara doesn't smudge on the bottom. I hate when mascaras do that, and this one doesn't. God, these eyelashes are so heavy. They're not like really heavy, but after a while my eyes do get tired and I don't notice, but I literally just, I'm like this, like by the end of the day. They're just like weighing my eyelids down, but they're so pretty, so dramatic, and I love them. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think. Did you like this look? I'm not gonna lie, I love it so much with this cute little shirt that my sister got me. I just love the colors. This is just a really nice look for fall and the holidays. So let me know what you think, and also I am still trying to get used to seeing myself with my hair like this. I love it so much. I obviously do miss my long dark hair, but it was time for a change and I love it so much. It just feels super short. Like, to me this is super short. But anyways, enough about my hair. If you guys have any video requests, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to do that. If you're new to my channel, tell me where you're from and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Okay, I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And if you're new to my channel, please. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, had to check if the mic was on. I upload videos in English and in Spanish. And